In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send from Stripe to Payoneer, 5 minutes. First, open your browser and head to the Stripe website. On the home page, select Sign In, enter the email and password associated with your Stripe account, and complete any two-factor authentication if prompted. Keeping your login secure is important, so make sure you're signing in from a trusted device and network. When you're in the dashboard, confirm you're in live mode, not test mode, so the bank account you add can actually receive payouts. From the dashboard, go to Home, then navigate to Balance. This is where Stripe manages your available funds and payout settings. Look for the option to add a bank account and click Add Bank Account. This tells Stripe where to send your payouts. Now switch over to your Payoneer account to gather the bank details you'll need. In Payoneer, open your receiving accounts and choose the currency and region that match how you plan to be paid from Stripe. For example, use the USD receiving account for ACH payouts or the appropriate local account details for EUR or GBP. Note the bank name, routing number or sort code, the account number or IBAN, and the account type if shown. Make sure the account is eligible for local transfers in that currency and that the account holder name in Payoneer matches the legal name on your Stripe account to avoid verification issues. Return to Stripe and fill in all the required fields carefully. Enter the exact account holder name as it appears on your Stripe profile, select the correct country and currency, and paste the routing and account numbers or the IBAN without extra spaces. Double check every digit. Small mistakes can delay verification or cause payouts to fail. If there's an option to set this as your default payout account, choose it only if you intend all future payouts to go to Payoneer. When everything looks correct, click Add Bank Account. Stripe may require verification before sending money. In many regions, this involves micro deposits, too small amounts sent to your Payoneer receiving account. Keep an eye on your Payoneer transactions, then return to Stripe to confirm the exact amounts if prompted. This process can take 1 to 3 business days depending on the currency and banking rails. Once the bank account is verified, Stripe will route your payouts to Payoneer based on your payout schedule, daily, weekly, monthly, or manual, depending on your settings. Remember that standard payout timing and any applicable fees still apply. If you change currencies later, be sure to add the matching Payoneer receiving account for that currency to keep transfers smooth. That's it. Your Stripe balance is now set to pay out to your Payoneer account.